Pappy's back this week. We got some cleaning up to do. We did get this header put in last week and or completed, and I've got a lot of cleaning up and organizing and stuff from this point forward. And I've got a lot of these wood blocks laying all over the floor. Various stuff, must be about 1,000. This feels like 1,000, but probably 100 or 200 of them anyway. And a lot of sawdust and just debris. I need to get all that up, and I don't really have a place in the trash can for it, so I got to burn it. And it's got nails in some of it, and I don't want that to be in the yard, so I went and bought me a $10 barrel, and I'm going to make me a burn barrel out of it and throw the stuff in there, and then get everything done away with that way. It came with grapeseed oil, just an empty 55-gallon drum. And I'm going to try to make it breathe a little better. I thought about it, and I cut the top out of it with my Sawzall. Let me take you around. I'll show you that. Okay, I basically just took this can, I laid it over on its side, and I took a punch, and I punched holes in it with this. It's actually a lady's foot. It's got it pointed in. And I took my hammer and I drove a hole in it, and then I bent it to the side this way. And that way it'll cause it to, in theory, I'm hoping it will, cause the air to go in and spiral counterclockwise. I figured since a hurricane spins that way, maybe the fire inside this barrel will too, and it might burn a little bit more efficiently. I don't know if it'll work or not. It's just an experiment. I wanted to give it a try and see what happens. As you can see, those holes may have worked. It is burning real clean, and that's what I wanted. I didn't want a lot of smoke. Get my neighbors mad at me. So I would say those holes, maybe the swirling does help, but giving it plenty of air, it's kind of like a carburetor. You got to have the mixture right, and you don't have all that nasty smoke. You just got to burn clean, and that's what I'm trying to do. And I'd say that's a success. Okay, back to cleaning up this mess. Well, now that I got the trash burning properly, I'll go over a couple of other things that need to be done. One of them, to make this garage actually usable, is right here. You can see we have a little problem. We don't have a driveway. You come out a little bit. There's a big old bush that I've chopped down. I'm going to have to get the truck and throw a chain around that and try to drag it up out of there. I don't know. Or just chop it up best I can and put gravel over it. I'm going to try to gravel this, but I need to level it out. So I got me a wheelbarrow and a shovel. That's about all I can afford. I really could use a skid steer or a tractor or something, but I don't have that in my budget right now. So we'll just do little bits at a time. I can't even get my Firebird in here until this mess is squared away. And I got to build me some type of a road. Somebody did leave me a lot of gravel here. And this was a above ground swimming pool, I think, right here. And I got to turn this into a driveway. I got to do it cost effectively, and I am just out of funds right now. So we'll just take and try to make use of that gravel. And every time it rains, my little Ranger gets stuck trying to go up and down this hill. So from where that gate is down to here and make this corner, I got to have a driveway to make this really functional. But that's where I'm at. That'll probably be my next big project, but we'll have to just do this little bits at a time. But right now, I've got to get the storage places emptied and get all this stuff moved in and put away. So there may not be a lot of long videos or good ones for the next few weeks. It's just basically work. I'll try to post a few here and there just to let you know my progress. And well, until next week, just give me a thumbs up and help this channel grow. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.